the morning.
Mhm.
Then my mom makes me wake up early in the morning. Then my mom does some household works
Mhm.
and she helps me to do my homework.
Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Why don't you think that you should have a pet now? Can't you ask your mother to get a pet for you?
I, I don't know how to take care of pets.
But you can learn
That's
how to
why.
take care of pets. Yeah. I think dogs are more friendly because you can take a walk. You can take a walk with the dog. You can go in the park. You can play
How
fetch.
about kittens?
Uh,
Kitten even do that.
really?
Yeah.
But dogs are more cute.
And
I feel dogs are more
so,
cute.
but I think kittens are more cute than dog
Oh,
puppies.
really? Okay. Hello, hi.
Hello, hi.
Nice to meet you again. How are you doing today?
I'm good, going good. How are you?
I'm fantastic. Yeah. What is the time over there?
There is 1:30.
It's 1:30 in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Wow, very good. What's your name again?
Sadiksha.
Sadiksha.
Yeah.
Okay, Sadiksha. Very good. How did you start your morning?
I woke up, then I get ready.
I got ready.
I got ready, then I brushed my teeth,
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
then I took shower,
Mm-hmm.
and then I got ready.
Yeah.
Then my bus came to pick up me up. My bus
Pick me came.
picked me up.
Yeah.
Came. Then I went to school.
Mm-hmm.
Then I did some study. Then I ate my lunch. Then I came back from my school. Then I ate my lunch. Then I then I watched some TV. Then now I'm talking to you.
Very good. All right. See, now we have to work on the past tense, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And did you take the session yesterday with other tutors?
No, I don't.
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
Okay. So, how many times do you take English classes in a week?
Tw- Twice in a week.
Twice in a week. Okay, yeah. Do you remember our last meeting? Do you remember me?
Yeah, I do.
Very good. Okay. We talked about your daily routine, right? And we talked
Yeah.
about your father's routine and your mother's routine as well,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Did you practice that with your mother?
The mother routine.
Did you practice with your mother?
Yeah.
Very good, very good. Okay. Because I think in the last session, your mother was right next to you and she was hearing our conversation. So I am sure that she helped you to speak properly, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So today we will practice that one more time, okay? And after
Okay.
that, we can go with the session document. And the session topic is about pets. Okay, all
What?
right. The session topic is about pets.
Okay.
Okay,
Wait.
but before moving to the main topic, I want
Yeah.
to know about your mother's routine. I want to see how you have practiced by yourself.
My mom wakes up early in the morning.
Mhm.
Then my mom makes me wake up early in the morning. Then she cooks food for me. Then she helps me to get ready.
Uh-huh. And
Then she makes my bag ready.
she okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
And
Then she take off. Then she go out to take off me.
then she goes out
Drop me. Sorry.
to drop me off. Okay.
Drop me.
At the bus station.
Yeah. No,
Uh,
not the bus station. Out the house. Outside.
outside the house because your bus comes to pick you up, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 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 okay. And what does she
Then
do?
my mom does some household works
Mhm.
and took shower.
Takes a shower.
Take, she takes showers.
Uh-huh.
Then she do some does some does then she does some worship
She does some. She does some.
works
What's that?
Worship. Worship.
Oh, worship. Okay, very good. She does some worship. Okay, and
Then I then she do her then she does her study.
okay. Or you can say then she studies.
Then she studies.
Then she studies. Okay.
Then she then I came back from the school.
I come back every day. No, every day.
Yeah, I come back.
I come back from school. Yeah. And what does she do after that? Then
She
she.
helps me to finish my lunch.
Okay. And.
And she helps me to do my homework.
Uh huh.
Then she makes me
Then she makes me.
sleep.
Okay. All right. So then she makes you sleep. She puts you to bed.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And
Then she do more study.
she studies.
She
She
studies
studies again. You can say she studies again.
again. She studies again,
Uh-huh.
again. Then she make me wakes up.
She wakes me up.
Then she wakes me up. Then
Uh-huh.
she then
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 she.
I go to the park. She make me ready.
Yeah.
Then I go to the park.
Uh-huh. You can say
Then
because you're talking about your mother, so you say she takes me to the park. She
she
takes me.
takes me to the park.
Yeah.
Then my mom,
Uh-huh.
what do you say that? Mom cooks dinner.
Then she makes dinner. Okay,
Then
very
she
good.
makes dinner. Then she
She.
then I come back from the park.
Uh-huh.
Then then my mom give me dinner. My
Uh-huh.
mom give me dinner.
Very good.
Gives
Or my mom serves me dinner. You can also say
my
that.
mom
Mom serves.
serves me dinner.
Uh-huh.
Then my dad's come.
Your dad comes.
Then my dad even mm, serve dinner for him.
Okay.
Then we watch some more
Mm-hmm.
Then we go to sleep
Very good. Yes. Fantastic.
because
See? Uh-huh.
yeah, now is next day.
Okay. All right. Good job. So I want you to keep on practicing, okay, so that we can improve our accuracy here.
More and more.
More and more. Okay. All right. Now we will talk about pets. Do you have any pet animals in your house?
I I have some fishes
You have
in my
some pets?
yeah
Oh, really?
yeah
Okay. But we can't do much with fish, right? We can't interact with them. We can't play with them. We can't hold them.
yeah.
Oh,
But one time I touched my fishes.
oh, okay. And how did you feel?
I feel so fluffy. So
Yeah. I, I can't imagine because I've never touched a fish before. I feel that it's very slimy. You know, they are very slimy because of their texture,
yeah
because they always stay in the water. But
yeah.
if you could have any pet, be it a dog or a cat or a rabbit or
Yeah,
anything.
I will have a rabbit, sorry, a cat when I will grow up like 2019, 18.
Okay, that is many years later.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Why don't you think that you should have a pet now? Can't you ask your mother to get a pet for you?
I I don't know how to take care of pets.
But you can learn
That
how to
one.
take care of pets. Yeah.
How?
Yeah, you can always learn how to take care of pets. Yeah. So
Okay.
why do you like cats more than dogs?
Because the dogs always bark
Yeah.
and cat have just a meow a little bit. Meow like this.
But
And
dogs are more cute.
sleep.
I feel dogs are
So
more cute.
but I think kittens are more cute than dogs.
Oh,
Puppies.
really? Okay. Maybe, yes. I think it's all up to individual's preference. Okay, now tell me, what are some advantages of having a cat?
What?
What are some advantages of having a cat? That means when you have a cat, what can you do with it? What else can you do with it?
Um, Actually, I really want the cat, mm, because I am a cat in my house. I am a cat in my house.
Okay, all right. But what else can you do with the cat?
I can feed him, but in dogs have sharp teeth more than kittens.
No, I think cats have more sharp teeth. I think so.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so. Cats have more sharp teeth, and dogs also have sharp teeth, but cats have sharper. That's what I feel.
And I like kitten the most.
Oh, you like kittens, okay? But you can't do anything with them because they just sit and they just
I
sleep
can play
around.
with them. I
Yeah,
like to play with the kittens.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I like to play with the kittens.
Oh, okay, all right. Well, you can do that, of course. You can play with the kittens, but I think dogs are more friendly because you can take a walk. You can take a walk with the dog. You can go in the park. You can play
How
fetch.
about kittens?
Uh,
Kitten even do that.
really,
Yeah.
but kittens don't bring your ball when you throw somewhere. You know, dogs what they do when you go to the park with
When
dogs, you throw a
you
ball. Yeah,
feed them, when you do the food and throw somewhere, if they see it, then you throw somewhere, they will of course get it and eat it. They
really.
of
Are you sure
course.
about that?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not sure. Because you know what? My friend has a dog and it's so smart, it is trained. Okay, so what you do is you throw a ball somewhere, okay? And the dog goes and brings that ball to you and gives it to you. Okay, and you can play with it the entire day. It's so fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm sure the cats can do that because they are too
Even
lazy.
even the cats can stand on the tree.
They can stand, you're saying they can climb trees?
No, stand on in front of the tree.
They stand on the tree?
If there is food, then they will of course stand in 2 feet.
Okay, okay. So the cats can stand on two. Even dogs can do that. I know some dogs they can do that, and dogs are really, really active. And dogs love you actually. They are they wag their tails when they see you, right?
Hmm?
I don't think cats are really bothered.
But cats have more fluffy fur, fur
Fur.
than
They have more
dogs.
fur. Yeah, but dogs also have a lot of fur. It depends on the breed of the dog. Yeah, and you know what? Dogs are very useful because they can guard the house. They can prevent bad guys from coming to your house. You know, because they are like security guards, isn't it? Yeah, dogs are faithful, isn't it?
Actually, I am gonna have 2 kittens
Oh, you're gonna have two kittens. Why?
because I already told you I love kittens. Yeah,
Okay, all right. I think for that you have to take care of them, otherwise
yeah.
your mother will get mad, right?
No,
Yeah.
the baby kittens.
Yeah, yeah. Kittens are babies actually. The bigger ones are called cats. Okay, okay, all right. Now, we will try to read a passage, okay, in the session notes. Can you please tap open the session note over there? We will try to read. I will check your
Yeah,
pronunciation,
I
okay?
got it. I
Yeah,
got it.
let's try to read that. Let's read it.
The last one,
The paragraph over here, you can see
the
the
purple
second
one,
page. The second page.
the
Second page.
second.
Let's meet Sheru. Sheru is the name of a dog. A lot of your
I
textbook.
can't means I can't read big words.
Ah, it's okay. It will come with practice. Okay. How old are you right now?
I am still 6 year
Oh,
old.
you're just 6 years old. Yeah. Okay. So we will learn to pronounce some big words as well. Okay. All right. Yeah. Don't worry about it. And we will try to read in one go. Okay. Try to read some textbooks from your school. Okay. Try to read English textbooks from your school and work with your mother a lot. Okay.
Like we don't have anything which is interesting. Interesting books are there. We
Really?
don't
Okay.
have. Yeah.
Well, try to. Okay. Your mother will get an interesting storybook for you. Okay.
Yeah, she already
Ah.
get the
Yes.
storybooks.
Yes, and read along with your mother. Okay, ask your
Okay.
mother to get you a very good book, and interesting princess book. Okay, and try to read that. All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Otherwise, you're a very good speaker. You're a very
Okay.
good speaker, and we have to work on the reading so that
Thank
we can
you.
get better in this language. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Very good. What are you gonna do now after this? Are you going to have lunch?
I'm gonna sleep.
No, you're
I'm
gonna.
gonna take a nap.
Okay. Okay. All right. So I will let you take a nap. Okay.
Okay.
I hope you enjoyed today's session, and please keep on
Yes.
practicing.
Okay.
I'll see ya. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.